Hello, everyone. Corey from Casa Larga here. This week to do a little bit different. We recently posted about our custom labels, and then I got a lot of questions on how to go about that because obviously the label process, people usually come in to order that, but we do have it all up online so that you can order labels kind of at your earliest convenience whenever you need them. So we're going to go through a little bit about that today. If you are looking to order a custom label, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to www.casalarga.com, which I have on the screen already here. If you hover over the wine tabs there, you'll see a drop down to shop. You'll see a tab for custom labels. All you need to do is click on that, and it's going to take us to the custom label page. When we are here, there's a couple things that you're going to see, and it's a lot of information, but when it's broken down, it's actually not a super difficult process. So if you scroll down a little bit, and there is going to be a lot of scrolling, I know one of the biggest troubles that we have here is this page is super long. So you have to actually scroll a lot to see all of the different options there. So when you scroll, the first thing you're going to see here is our custom labels for all occasions. This is just kind of letting you know a quick and easy pricing method so that as you're going through, you kind of know what you're looking at there. Down here, you can go through some of our procedures. And they have changed just a little bit, of course, due to the situation surrounding COVID-19. But we've actually made them a little bit easier. You can get your labels a little bit of a quicker turnaround there, which is great and super helpful. And it just kind of goes through that. So what we actually do here now is when you submit the label form that we talk about at the bottom, we will actually call you back within 24 hours to finalize that. You don't have to worry about paying for your order right there. We will call and take care of payment for you, confirm your order, and then do the delivery method you want. So you can pick up your labels here, we can ship them through our normal system, and we do local delivery for those as well. So when we call you, we can get addresses, we can get times, set up the date for you to pick it up and go through all of that information. So all that you really need to do at this point is enter the label form so that we can see it and start the order for you. And that's mostly what this is talking about here. As we scroll down, the first section you're going to see is suggestions for your label. And what these are just suggested messages. You don't need to use these messages. You can come up with one that's completely on your own. If you find something online that you really like saying or a quote, we can also use those too. These are just here in case you're having a little bit of trouble seeing what kind of messages people normally put on there. Feel free to go through. All you need to do is open the drop down. You will see a bunch of different forms of messages here. And again, use one of ours or feel free to choose your message all on your own. As you continue to scroll down here, these are going to be our label images. And with label images, we have two main types of labels that we think of here. We have our standard, which you're going to see right here. It is just a plain, either beige or white background with your message on it. It'll say wine type at the bottom there. That'll be the actual wine so that you know what it is, or the people you're getting it for know what it is. And it's just this with your message on it. If we scroll back here, then we have what we here at Casa Larga consider a color label. And that's going to be pretty much anything else you see here. They go through, we have a bunch of ones for specific holidays or specific occasions. So birthdays, baby showers, Mother's Day, Father's Day, July 4th, Valentine's Day. Then we also have some kind of general celebration ones. And I know that there are a lot of pages here, but when you actually go to open one of these pages here, you'll be able to see all of the labels, and you'll see this little code underneath. When we get to the label form here, this is actually how we know which label you're choosing. So this is the code that you're looking for. And you will see that some, of course, are going to be coded. So these are some of our birthday labels. These are some general celebration labels as we go through the pages here, and you can easily thumb through them right from the website. You'll see general labels here. You'll see Easter, Mother's Day. We have a lot of Mother's Day labels, some great Father's Day ones. Valentine's Day, weddings, of course, new baby, housewarming, some miscellaneous ones. And then as we go through the rest of the year, you'll see some Thanksgiving. We have some holiday labels here as well. So a ton of labels that you can find from. But what you'll be looking at here is that code. And that's going to help us know which label, that background that you want. The final image here is a font choice. These again are just some recommended fonts for you to choose from. You are more than welcome to choose any of these fonts if you'd like, or you can choose designer's choice, and we can pick one for you that we think looks really, really nice on your label there. So those are kind of the pieces that you're going to need. Of course, you will also need to choose a type of wine, but that's going to be on a drop down that you'll see here when we actually go through the label form. But those things that you're looking for are going to be your bottle of wine, the label you want on it, your message, and if you have a font choice. So once you have that information, you can scroll and you will see a custom label request form here. This is what you're going to fill in that sends to us so that we know what your order is. So we'll go through here. I'll just start typing and fill it out just so you can kind of see how that works. And the form is pretty straightforward there. All right, so the next option here, once you have your personal information on there, is how you like to receive your label. And it's just shipping, pickup, or delivery. And you won't need to input an address here if you are shipping or delivering. We will get that address from you when we call to confirm your order. This is just so when we call, we know kind of how you're going to want your label there. The date the order is needed. This is going to be the day that you either want it to be picked up on here physically at Casa Larga, the day you want it to be delivered by, and the day that you would like it to be shipped by. And the one thing I like to note on here is shipping, of course, does depend on the location, so we may not be able to guarantee you by that date, but we will do our best to get that label there as close as we possibly can. With shipping, it's always recommended you send earlier than you need it, because if there's weather, if there's something that happens on the way, you still have that little bit of buffer time for your label to get there. The thing with shipping too and for delivery is that someone has to be there when we ship or deliver. So just keep that in mind too if you're shipping or delivering, to let the people know that you're going to, or if it's yourself, that you will have to be around there. Right now, once you put this form in, we will call you back within 24 hours and you will be able to pick your label up within 48 hours. So when you place that order, we can get that label to you within 2 days. If you need it a little bit quicker, give us a call directly, and we can go through that and possibly get it a little sooner for you. But with the form here, we do need at least 48 hours notice in order to complete that label for you. So the date will go in here, and we'll go to May, because it is almost May now, May tomorrow. So we'll just say that I wanted to pick this label up on Tuesday the 5th. Label choice. This is how we put that ID in there that were at the bottom of those pictures. So say we do Wedding 09, that's the label that I like. Here with your wine choice. Again, the prices that you're going to see here are just so that you know how much they are. You're not going to be charged during this moment here, so you're not going to, at the end, if you're thinking there's going to be a payment thing, don't have to worry about that. This is just so you can pick your bottle here. And we have the wines listed and the prices, so you can just choose one that's there. This section is actually pretty important and one of the more confusing aspects of this. You need, unfortunately, to fill out a different form for every bottle you're getting. And I say bottle, but it actually means different labels. So say you're getting the Rosso that we've chosen here, and you're doing 6 labels, but it's all exactly the same, then you can put 6 there, and we will know that you want 6 of this exact label. Unfortunately, if you are doing multiple different labels, so you want 6 bottles all with different labels, you will have to submit a different form for each different label. So if you do have a lot of different labels, it may be easier for you to call so you don't have to submit this form 5 or 6 times. But if you're only doing 1 or 2 labels, it might not be that much of a hassle. Again, that is only this little box, how many of this label, is talking about that physical same exact label. Same label background, same words, everything all together. Here, you can do the message. So you can do whatever message you want. I'm just going to go with a common one here. We're running out of messages here, so we'll just go bottle to celebrate, John Smith, happy birthday, June 20th, 2020. So again, message can kind of be whatever you want it to be. Use one of ours if you want. If you don't, you can come up with any message that you like there. Once you have that there and you like the way that it looks, this is where we were talking about the font choices. So you can either choose a font choice that you liked off of that image there. You could choose designer's choice, which will obviously come up as a designer's choice. So we know if you leave it blank, we will assume that you meant designer's choice anyway. So you can either click designer's choice or not. Doesn't really matter. We'll take that. Or if you do click one of these, then of course we will make sure we use that font for you. Just make sure there you hit the CAPTCHA, make sure that you're not a robot and everything, and then hit submit. When you submit this form, you'll just get this message that says, thank you for submitting your form. Now, this little message says, please take the time to purchase your wine. Right now, I'm going to change this message on here so it reflects, but if you order this and you see this message, we will be reaching out to take care of that payment for you. So don't worry about adding your wine to the cart, adding labels to your cart, anything along those lines. As long as you get to this point and you submitted that form for us, comes to our emails, staff will get it. We will call you and we will finalize the order. So we'll confirm all the information on there just to make sure it's correct for you. We will get your delivery or shipping address or just set up a pickup time for you. And we'll be good to go. And then we could take payment and do everything right there for you. But no need to worry about it at this point. Once you hit this screen, your label order has gone on to us here. And one of the staff members will take a look at that for you, give you a call, confirm, and take care of the order for you. Hopefully this will make it a little bit easier. I know sometimes different things on the websites can be a little cumbersome, just because, of course, this process is normally done when we're all face-to-face here. So we're changing things around a little bit. But we've had people ordering through the online system like this, and we've had really great success with it. So I'm hoping that with the video, you'll find it a little bit easier and less intimidating when placing those custom label orders for you. We know this time of going on, not being able to see family and friends for graduations or Mother's or Father's Day or a lot of different things. This is a really nice personalized gift for that, so we're trying to make the process as easy as we can for you. For those of us with Wine Lover Club memberships, you will get all your standard discounts through here as well. So make sure that when we call you to get your payment and everything, you let us know that you're a member, and we'll make sure that you get those discounts that you have with your membership there. If you have any questions, though, on custom labels, whether it's you just want to know if this label looks good, or if it looks good on this type of bottle, or any questions you have, we are always here. We're here from 12 to 4, Monday through Saturday. So give us a call. We can answer any questions for you, and we can take your order over the phone if that's easier for you. But this website here, our website's open 24 hours, so you will be able to get on and order those labels whenever you need it at your earliest convenience. But again, if you ever need anything, we are here. Our number is listed right here, 585-223-4210. And again, Monday through Saturday, 12 to 4, and we can help you with any questions. If it's easier to make an email, labels@casalarga.com is our graphics desk. You can email all your questions there too, and we'll be glad to help you. The one really quick thing I wanted to notice, though, is we do get a lot of questions about personal pictures. And we absolutely can put your personal picture on a label. When you're on this custom label form here, if you are going to use a personal picture, down in label choice, you can just write personal image. And then you can email that, again, to the labels@casalarga.com email. So just type in personal image there. You don't have to worry about the labels there, but then you can email it to the labels directly. And all you have to do there is put your last name and order in the subject. So for me, I would say Emily label order. And then in there, I would have that picture, and then we can make sure we get that image on there for you. If you also want to see this first, so you want to make sure that we've spelled things correctly or the picture is right, you can also do that. All you need to do is when we call you to settle, just let us know you want a draft, and we will email it to the email that you left us with here. Other than that, pretty straightforward as long as you kind of know exactly where all the parts are here. So hopefully this will make the process a lot easier for you. Again, any questions, give us a call. If not, I hope this video has helped explain a few things and answered some questions. If you have any more, you can email or call us. We will be here and we'll be glad to help you. Thank you so much, of course, for your business and for watching these videos. We hope you found it helpful. We hope everybody is staying safe, and we cannot wait to see everybody again. And hopefully we'll start being able to get out and socialize a little bit more, and as summer comes along here, we'll be able to all hang out again. So we're looking forward to that. In the meantime, again, thank you to all our essential workers, and we hope everybody is continuing to stay safe. Thank you so much.